Hello everybody, this is Joe the Lego Man here, and as I'm sitting here sorting through Lego and the latest pick of Padwall cups, I figure I'll give you a quick update. So on one of our previous videos, you've seen that we built the downtown Lego City. We're just going to show you where it is in our city. And there it is, Lego City Downtown. Now, what I did with this is I took out the road and I put a river in. Mills plated everything, made a river, so I had a little bit change of plans of what I'm going to do here. At first, I was going to move all these back a half base plate. Some of them are not going to move. Some of them actually end up properly Mills plating, because as you can see here, this one is not properly Mills plated, so I'm probably going to do that. So my plan is now, right between the fire station and the Lego store, I'm going to slide the dragon out of the way. Roar. I'm going to have like a little walkway, pathway of some kind. Probably put some kind of pond in here and have a river flow down the middle here, which means this parking lot and probably the police station are coming out of the city, and we're going to end it here, either another pond or maybe the Monet monument from Indonesia. Maybe that's going to go here, not sure yet. But that's what we got going for the Lego City. Now for the river here. So as you can see with the river, so it's 4 Mills plates in total. Now each Mills plate, I didn't fully Mills it. I did leave the river as 8 studs wide. And what I did is I put 4x6 plate underneath, translucent blue tile over top, giving it the nice little river look. And I lined the sides with some white railing, tiled it off, along with 2x4 black brick underneath. And I did that with all 4 of the Mills plates there, creating the river that you see. So with that river coming in, like I said, there'll be a few changes. Parking lot's going to go, probably the police station. I'm probably going to end up moving the Weasley's Wizarding World there. Gonna probably move that over to this section, along with the other Harry Potter buildings, which would mean this little train parking spot's probably gonna go. So that's a quick update of the Lego City. Like, subscribe, drop a comment, share the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.